Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your JBL Pulse to your iPad. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to have their sound output of their iPad become their JBL Pulse. How do you actually go ahead and connect both devices together? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but first let's go ahead and turn on our JBL Pulse. And the setup works for same practically for any JBL Pulse model. Next, what you want to do is that you want to click and hold the Bluetooth icon until you enter pairing mode. So you'll see that it's now in pairing mode. So on your iPad, you want to go ahead and navigate to where it says Bluetooth. And then under Bluetooth, you want to go ahead and find your JBL Pulse. So over here under other devices, you'll see that the JBL Pulse is here. So if you click on the JBL Pulse, once it's connected, you'll hear a sound notification on your JBL Pulse and it'll resume its normal lighting. So here we have our JBL Pulse right over there, and it also says connected. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your JBL Pulse to your iPad. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.